Hey everybody, I have an announcement to make. Hey everybody, this is Stuart with Wine on the Dime. So you might recall back, a while back, I shot a video in which I bought a dozen wines from nakedwines.com. They were normally about $160 or so per box, and I think I got it for somewhere between $60 and $80 with some discount. I reviewed all 12 of the wines, though only 11 were posted because one of the wines, the video shoot got the really weird audio glitchy thing and it was unrecoverable. So you got to see 11 out of the 12. The one that you didn't see was actually a good rated wine. So I'm excited because they reached out to me recently and asked me to become a brand ambassador for them. So now the next question you're probably thinking to yourself is, oh great, does that mean he's gonna be a shill now for this winery or for these winemakers? Well, you don't have to worry about me being a shill because here are the questions and the exact answers word for word that I received from Naked Wines before I even entered into this agreement. So number one, does this require that I'm an exclusive ambassador for Naked Wines, or can I review wines and other wine box companies as well? The answer, we don't have to be exclusive. We encourage you to review wines from wherever your heart desires. So that's nice. Number two, how many bottles typically come in a shipment? About 6 per shipment. So I have 6 here, and shipments normally happen about every other month. So normally what you'll see is every other month, we'll have some more wines from Naked Wines, and I'm probably not gonna review them and post them all at the same time. I'm probably gonna stagger them throughout the weeks, so that way that kind of spreads itself out. You don't get all Naked Wined up in one week. So the next question, do I have the option of contacting the winemakers in case I want to include them in more in-depth discussions or interviews on the wine? Absolutely. So what that means is that I am going to have an opportunity, possibly if I really like some of these wines, to maybe have some more content where I talk directly to the winemakers, and then I'm able to get you guys more information about those wines and also that winemaker's technique and philosophy on making wine. So that could be some cool content potentially, assuming I have the time. Number 4. Is Naked Wines okay with my policy of not ensuring a positive review in return for samples? For sure. We call ourselves Naked because we pride ourselves on being transparent with our customers. We also fund over 100 winemakers globally and think that there's something for everyone, which is why we encourage honest reviews to help us make better recommendations for our angels in the future. We also refund our angels for any bottles they do not love. So you don't have to worry about me holding back punches. If I don't like these wines, I'm gonna say something. If I do like these wines, I'm gonna say something. So that's really good right there. The last question that I had was, how am I going to be able to pass some sort of benefit on to my subscribers and my viewers? Well, Naked Wines is gonna be providing me with an affiliate code in which you can get $100 off your first order of $160 or more. So you too will also be able to take a good chunk of your first order off. And then if you want to subscribe to be an angel, you actually buy wines at a discounted rate moving forward. So I don't get any money from this. I'm just getting some wines shipped, but I do get to provide you with the discount. So maybe they'll be beneficial to you if you want to try their service in the future. All right, so enough about questions. Let's see what they shipped to me and get a sneak preview. Shipping manifest. I don't want to watch it. I want to be surprised. I'm gonna hold on to these. I always hold on to the stuff that people send me like these because there are often times where I'm driving in the hill country and I need to box stuff up and keep it safe. And so thank you, Naked Wines, for also providing me some hill country travel protection for my wines. All right, so first one. Ooh, so many colors. Let's do this orange one. So this one is, ooh, a Tempranillo from Paso Robles. Do this one back here. A Sauvignon Blanc from France. Ooh, Loire Valley. Let's do a Pinot Noir from Oregon. Next, a Cabernet Sauvignon. Where is this from? From California. Lake County. Ooh, a Rosé. The Matt Parrish Los Carneros Napa Valley Rosé. Ooh, that's nice. A Sonoma Valley. Ooh, Petite Syrah. Oh, it's like they know me already. I love Petite Syrah. And I'm gonna stick this down here and get that out of the way. So, a little recap here of what will be coming on a future review for Wine on the Dime. So obviously I'll clean up the cardboard fuzz, but overall not a bad little haul, not some bad variety. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting these in my fridge, getting them to the right temp, and then eventually at some point I'm gonna be reviewing these things. So if you're interested in what I think of these naked wines, make sure you stay tuned. And also I'm gonna post my affiliate link in the description if you're interested in trying it before I even review any of them. Or if you wanna go back and take a look at my other videos, I'll leave that playlist in the review below also. You can go back and take a look and go ahead and get started. Maybe, hey, if you get the same ones, we can have a drink along, eh? Hey? Anyway, this has been Stuart with Wine on the Dime. If you liked today's video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Have you had naked wines, or are you a fan of any other wine club? I'd be interested to know if you have. Leave a comment below, and I will see you all again soon with another episode from Wine on the Dime.